Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick episode comparison review between these two AI research assistant tools, which is Answerthis AI and Jenni AI. So let's quickly dive into it. But before that, know that this review is based on users' collective data, and that's it. So let's quickly start it. Answerthis and Jenni AI both aims to make research faster, but they do it in a very different way. So Answerthis AI shines with the ability to pull summary, well-sourced answers straight from academic material, which make it a deal breaker for students or professionals who need quick, credible insight. So talking about Jenni AI, on the other hand, focused mainly on more writing assistance, helping you draft essays, report, and content with an academic tones. So if you want a precise research-backed answers, Answerthis AI is the better and a smarter pick. But if you need a writing co-pilot to polish long-form work, Jenni AI went in the expert. So in my conclusion, Answerthis is best for researchers and analytics, while Jenni AI is suited for content creators and students who write a lot. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.